Welcome to CNP Math.
Hello there, and welcome back to another edition of CNP Math. I'm your host, Mr. C. Let's get right to it. Today we have lesson 11.3. Our learning target is students will be able to find the mean of a given set of numbers and or data, kind of the same thing. The mean is the average of a set of numbers. A lot of you might have heard of average before in your daily lives, in everyday life. Well, you find it all over the place, in sports especially. So say you have a basketball player who is averaging 10 points per game. You could expect on any given night that that player will score right around 10 points. It might not mean they score exactly 10. They could score 12, they could score 8, they could score 15, they could score 7. But the mean is the average. It all kind of averages out into what you would expect from a given amount of data that you have available, okay? So here we have this set of numbers. We have 2, 4, and 6, and we want to figure out the mean of that set of numbers. First step we do in figuring out the mean is we add each of those numbers. 2 plus 4 plus 6 equals. If you said 12, you are correct. That is the total when you add those three numbers together. Then we take that number and we divide it by the total amount of numbers in that set. Anybody want to take a guess? If you said 3, you are correct. 1, 2, and 3. So we take 12 divided by 3, and that equals 4. That's it. Your mean, your average is 4. Okay? Next set of numbers. We have 0, 1, 2, 4, and 3. We want to figure out the mean or the average of that set of numbers. So what we do is we add each number up together. I'm not going to put 0 there. 0 still counts, but it has no value. So I'm going to add 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3. And what do I get? If you said 10, you are correct. Nice job. So we take that number 10 and we divide it by the total amount of numbers that are in that set. If you're wondering, does 0 count as a number in the set? Sure does. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total numbers. So we take 10 divided by 5, and we end up with 2. The mean of this set of numbers is 2. Okay, moving on to our last set of numbers there. We have 8, 9, 10, 4, 6, and 5. So we're going to add up all those numbers together. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 10, 27. 27 plus 4, 31. 31 plus 6, 37. 37 plus 5 is, bingo, 42. Then we take that number and we divide it by what? If you said the total amount of numbers in the set of data, you are correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 42 divided by 6 equals 7. 7 is our mean of that set of data. So again, mean and average are pretty much the same thing. Okay, to figure out the mean, you simply add up the numbers in the set and you divide by the total amount of numbers in that set of data, and you get your mean. That wraps up lesson 11.3. You are now able to find the mean of a given set of data or numbers. Thanks for tuning in. Take care. Peace out.